You're greeted by an intoxicating aroma, a tantalizing combination of herbs and spices wafting through the air. This isn't your everyday meal. It's a dish that has stood the test of time, traveled continents, and graced the tables of generations. The name? Ghormeh Sabzi. But what is Ghormeh Sabzi? Let's travel over 6,000 miles away, right into the heart of Persia, Iran, where our culinary journey begins. Rooted in tradition, Ghormeh Sabzi is considered Iran's national dish. This isn't a quick throw-together type of meal. It's slow-cooked with love and patience. Ghormeh Sabzi's heart is a mix of aromatic herbs. We're talking a heaping helping of parsley, leeks, and fenugreek leaves. This gives the dish its characteristic green color. Now, you can't have Ghormeh Sabzi without meat. Traditionally, it's made with beef or lamb that's been lovingly stewed until it melts in your mouth. And let's not forget dried limes. Yes, you heard right, dried limes. They add a unique tanginess that takes this dish to a whole other level. Let's toss in some kidney beans for texture and protein. This isn't just a stew, it's a meal in itself. Combine all these ingredients and let them slowly simmer to perfection. A plate of Ghormeh Sabzi isn't just food, it's a tradition passed down through the ages, a way to bring families together and make memories that last a lifetime. With that said, thanks for watching and see you next time.